Pretty, 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 my toy so full of evil. It warms my stony heart to think of the bad that we'll achieve. You're much more fun, oh so much fun, 'cause I am your creator. From tiny robot pickpockets to my particle accelerator? My particle accelerator! Ah! My bird!
So, Dr. Eggman, does this particle accelerator have any distinguishing features that would help us identify it?
Let's see. It has a small scratch on its left side, so there's that. And also, it's a particle accelerator! You got a lot of those roaming the streets of your village? Genius? I'm sorry. I'm just so upset.
I've never seen him like this. I kinda like it.
And this is Dr. Eggman's Thinkubator, the room where he hatches his brilliant ideas. Get it? Pearls before swine. And it was from here that Dr. Eggman's particle accelerator was stolen.
Not his particle accelerator. I was hoping to get a picture with it. This tour bites.
It was about yay big. It was made of polished titanium. It accelerated particles. Am I leaving anything out?
Someone want to remind me why I'm here?
Because you stole it!
That's nuts.
If it wasn't you, why was my lair littered with chili dog scraps?
I don't know.
And look at these footprints!
Would you stop gasping dramatically? Seriously, guys, I'm the hero. He's the villain. I mean, he has an evil lair. He has mindless henchmen. No offense.
No, I think you're onto something here.
Sorry, Dr. Eggman. I'd love to close this case, but before I can arrest Sonic, I'm gonna need more. Like, if this was part of a pattern.
Sarge, where do you want me to put this crate of recent photos of crime scenes where partially eaten chili dogs and Sonic-shaped footprints were found?
That'll do it. Sonic T. Hedgehog, you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
You leave me no choice. I'll find the real thief and clear my name. Know why? Hero!
So, who wants to see the rumpus room?
I demand action! Sonic stole my walking stick!
And my jewelry! He stole my keys and hid them in my sofa cushion! Okay, I lost my keys and found them 3 days later in the cushion. But we should get him anyway!
We should totally form a posse.
Everyone, please, calm down! This is not the time for rash behavior.
When would be a good time? I'd like to plan my rash behavior in advance.
How about I bake up a batch of my famous cookies and put them on the windowsill? Sonic will smell them and come to steal one, but he won't know that they're laced with poison, so...
We're not trying to kill him.
Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Have a cookie.
I'll catch this hedgehog for you, but it ain't gonna be easy.
Don't worry, we'll all pitch in.
No! Unlike tying my shoes or brushing my teeth, I have to do this without any help.
You have to pull and jiggle the knob.
I am pulling and jiggling. I'll use the window.
Oh, slow down there, Bob. You're making the rest of us look bad.
Sorry, Earl. Just trying to finish so I can knock off early.
Big plans tonight? Not like there's much to do around here except playing horseshoes.
Oh, sorry, Earl.
I'm on the trail of a man that did me wrong.
That's so. You know, a fella just came through town. In a real hurry, too. Headed into the East Forest yonder. Well, them crates ain't gonna stack themselves. Unless they're self-stacking crates. That'd be sweet.
Sorry, Earl.
Earl? Earl?
Sonic was here. Oh, how did you track me? We followed the trail of twigs covered in spit. Oh, stop following me! I don't need help!
This is a shortcut.
What is it, Doc?
The scientific term is he got hit in the head by too many horseshoes.
You gotta help him.
Oh, sure. Let me just whip up some anti-horseshoe elixir.
Hey, if you can't help him, just say so.
No, seriously. I've got a recipe for anti-horseshoe elixir. I just need some pink orchid root. But it only grows in the West Forest.
Oh, I don't suppose that's anywhere near the East Forest. If I'm gonna catch the guy that framed me, I gotta go east. But if I wanna help you, I gotta go west.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm looking for this guy. Goes by the name Sonic, and he's very fast. Oh, kind of like that guy. Hey, wait a second! I bet that guy knows Sonic!
Oh, the pink orchid. Well, that was easy. I was expecting some kind of complication. Kind of like that. Knuckles, is that you?
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But it is. Who's this?
Sonic.
Oh, sorry. I didn't recognize you with a basket on your head.
Dude, I didn't steal anything.
I know, but there's a posse on your tail. I don't want to lose you. You're a valuable member of Team Knuckles.
I'm not even gonna argue. Let's get this orchid to Earl.
Right. Just one question. Who's Earl? What's an orchid? And where are we?
Here you go, Doc. Am I too late?
Don't worry, Bob. I'll fix up Earl newer than a summer cricket whistling on a fallen dewdrop. Know what I mean?
Not at all, but we've got no time to waste. Come on, Knuckles.
Hey, I know those guys from somewhere.
There goes Sonic, and he's taken Knuckles hostage.
Sorry.
Look, Sonic, it's you.
Where'd he go? Metal Sonic!
Allow me.
Oh, that can't be good. Nux, look out!
My cupcakes are missing, Grandma!
You're gonna regret that! Uh-oh. Don't you just hate when that happens? I can do this all day! Eggman's particle accelerator? Well, that's just cheating! How do you live with yourself? Uh-oh again. I guess when you get tired, you can just recharge. That's the difference between you and me, Metal. I don't get tired. Sorry. I got a little something for you, Eggy. I found your particle accelerator. And all the stuff that was stolen from the village and brought it back, which proves I didn't steal any of it. Case closed.
He's got you there, Egghead.
Case not closed. You have it, therefore you must have stolen it. Now case closed.
He's got you there, Sonic.
Officer, arrest this man.
Bob!
Earl?
These parts landed by the warehouse, and I thought you might need them.
That's the real thief. Not him! My robot duplicate that Eggman used to frame me!
All lies! Now, if you'll excuse me, I'll take my metal duplicate of you, suitable for framing, and my particle accelerator, and go.
Thanks, Earl.
It's the least I could do after you saved my life. I was deader than a pea pod in a mud bucket tea kettle after flippity hoodle doop fazzle bazzle.
We're closing in on him, boys, and we're not leaving this forest without him. Or we could go home now. Yes, my minions. This may very well be my greatest creation yet. Yes, yes, rise, my creation, rise!
All that for cookies?
Evil cookies.
Sweet! I'll go get the evil milk.
Wow, cookies! I hope this turns out better than the last time someone left baked goods on my doorstep.
Awkward?
Awkward.
It'll just be another minute.
Hey, Sonic, you there? I need a little help.
Is it urgent, Tails? I'm sort of in the middle of something.
Yeah?
Okay, I'm on my way, buddy.
Come back and eat that cookie, you mutant blue rat! No, no, no!
Oh, don't mind if I do.
Back, I say!
Aw, I knew Sonic wouldn't forget my birthday. It's 4 months late, but it's the thought that counts.
Why would he leave your birthday present on his porch? Where's the logic there? That's it. The last 2 cookies are for Sonic and nobody else. Oh, come on. Hey, put that back.
Look at this mess. I just vacuumed.
Get out of here.
So, yeah, a feather duster might be a better way to go. Oh, hey, I forgot about these. What the heck? There's only one left.
Yes, eat it. Eat the cookie.
Sonic, wait! Don't eat that cookie!
What?
Why?
Well, chocolate chunk is my favorite.
You gotta be kidding me.
Fine. I'll just go inside and make a sandwich or something.
Chocolate chunk. Ooh, with a hint of cinnamon. And a touch of... evil.
You'll never get away with this, Eggman.
Sonic will see you coming from a mile away.
Yeah! If we want to trap Sonic, we've got to think like Sonic.
This is even better than I hoped! 5 evil genius masterminds!
Actually, I'm an evil mastermind of average intelligence.
5 evil genius masterminds, give or take. Working together under my leadership, we'll be unstoppable!
So here's the plan. We wait at the beach shack for Sonic and then bombard it with an all-out robo-assault from 5 different sides.
No. What we should do is tunnel underneath to bypass his defenses.
We should attack from above by plane.
We have to get rid of his stupid friends first.
Robo-assault.
Tunnel.
Airplane. Robo-assault.
Tunnel.
Airplane.
I'm yelling words!
Calm down! Even though you're evil geniuses now, for the most part, you lack experience. Time for a crash course in villainy! Evil lesson number 1. Berating your underlings. Orbot, would you kindly hand out the worksheets?
Gladly, sir.
Not that worksheet, you dunderhead! See? It's that easy. Lesson number 4. Surveillance. There's nothing more evil than recording your subjects without their knowledge. Get me a monkey wrench. I'll fix that.
Oh, the security camera?
No. Lesson number 7. Mustache care and maintenance. 50 strokes every morning, but don't overdo it.
Or what?
Don't ask.
Lesson number 12. Lesson numbering. Evil lessons should be numbered as follows. 1, 4, 7, 12, 16. Lesson number 16. Target practice.
We must procure assistance.
We don't have time for that! Let's just get help!
And now back to Pawn Shop Wars Go-Goba Edition. Can I afford to give you 200 for this? No. But you seem like a nice fellow, and I suppose my children could go hungry for a couple nights.
Hello?
So far, so good. Now, the written exam. The topic is how to capture Sonic. You may begin.
Pencils down, Eggheads.
Clones, change of plans. Your written exam is now a practical. Attack! Not me, Sonic!
Oh, right. I hope that doesn't affect my grade.
Enough of this! I'm taking charge!
Amy, what are you doing? You guys are my friends.
Your evil friends?
Stop sucking up.
You guys, you gotta snap out of it. This isn't you. It's the cookies.
Wonderful work, everyone! Finally, after all my years of trying, I've captured Sonic the Hedgehog!
What do you mean, you captured Sonic? This is clearly a result of my leadership. You were losing until I deployed the robots.
With all of you arguing, I can hear the voices in my head.
I'm an evil mastermind of average intelligence.
This didn't work out like you planned, huh, Eggface?
Why won't those other me's listen to me? I only want what's best for me!
I think I know how to fix this.
Do you? Boy, that would be great. I've got so much going on. My plate is full, you know. I've got, look at this, the calendar is just so full. I really can't get over So, yeah, if you could help me out with that, that would be... Let's crack these eggheads! I can get used to this.
Hold him off, Eggman. I'll be right back. let's get baking.
I feel like myself again.
I'm also back to feeling like myself again. Knock on wood. Who is it?
Yeah, and the best part is, now we're all on the same team. We'll fight side by side, together. One for all and all for... Okay, fun's over. I gotta get back to work. Evil doesn't brilliantly plan and execute itself, you know.
What happened to us last night? My head is spinning.
That's not spinning. This is. Oh, that was a mistake. I hope whatever we did yesterday didn't involve a heavy meal.
I'll check my memory array. Curious. Last night's memory file appears to have been erased. Check yours.
Where was I?
Perhaps Dr. Eggman knows something about this. Dr. Eggman, sir? That's odd. Usually by this time he's telling us how inadequate we are. It appears as though he's completely vanished.
So wait, Dr. E ain't here? I can do whatever I want? I'm gonna kick over that garbage can! That'll teach you to mess with me, Doc!
We need to figure out what happened to us last night and find Dr. Eggman. But where to start?
What do you two bolt bags want?
Oh, my own talk show, long blonde hair, taste buds.
But that's not why we're here. We seem to have misplaced Dr. Eggman. Did you and he perchance battle yesterday?
Oh, we battled all right. I remember like it was yesterday.
It was yesterday.
What was?
I've got you now!
Oh no, I guess we have no other choice but to give up. Hey, that's not how it... Shh!
I'll handle this. Now, you've made me mad.
What a dreamboat!
I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Knuckles, you've been elected governor!
All in a day's work.
That's all very nice, but I believe we were inquiring as to the whereabouts of Dr. Eggman.
Yeah, after we, as a team, defeated Eggman, he retreated toward the marketplace.
Many thanks.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to write my acceptance speech. What rhymes with governor?
Keep your optical sensors peeled, Cubot. There must be a clue around here somewhere.
Hey, you two! Oh, you got a lot of nerve coming around here after what Eggman pulled last night.
Dr. Eggman was here?
He was, and he tried to make me the victim of his most evil scheme to date.
I'd like to return this umbrella.
You can't expect a refund for that. It's broken.
What are you talking about? It works fine. See? But you have a 30-day return policy. This is ridiculous. You just lost a customer, pal.
After he ran out, I called the police.
Officer?
Hey, don't sneak up on a guy. It's not nice.
I do apologize, but have you seen our missing employer? He's a loud, stocky fellow with an evil laugh and a, you know.
Oh, no, that guy. He's a dangerous criminal. We caught him last night. The streets are much safer with him off the, streets.
Thanks!
You're welcome.
We need to raise bail money to get the boss out of jail. And I know just how to do it.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you.
Yeesh!
I have a better idea. So, with your donation, we can finally build that oil bath for the old robot's home.
Of course! I've been collecting for a charity myself. Operation Toasty Beak. We provide sweaters for baby penguins.
They must be so cold in the frozen tundra.
They are. And we have all these sweaters for them. But we can't afford the jet fuel to deliver the sweaters.
Those poor little fluff balls.
I was saving this money for that. But your cause seems important, too. Here you go.
We can't do it! You keep the money! Oh, and take ours too! Penguin sweaters! I don't think we should sell the Eggmobile. The boss ain't gonna like it.
Oh, I see what's going on here. You're trying to con me. Well, you're not gonna pull one over on T.W. Barker. No siree. Oh, no. We're not trying... So, how about I take her out for a test drive? If I like the way she runs, you've got yourselves a sale. Just name the price.
Hey, he says we can name the price. This guy must be a real sucker.
Mr. Barker, we have a deal.
That's it! We tried doing things your way. Now we're gonna do things my way. Boss, over here!
Thanks for the help, fellas. I always appreciate a good jailbreak. Willie Walrus, nice to meet you.
We thought you was Eggman.
Oh, I get mistaken for him all the time. In fact, I was just talking to him about it last night. I was walking through the marketplace when...
You just lost a customer, pal!
Whoa! Who's this handsome fella?
Oh, you honey dripper. I'd love to stay and chat, but I gotta break into a helium warehouse.
Well, you bumped into the right walrus. Breaking and entering is my speciality.
Well, what are we waiting for? After you. How do we know these are helium?
I'm not sure. If only there were some way to tell.
And that's the last I saw of him. I spent the rest of the night in the joint. Breaking and entering is my speciality, but I'm not so good at exiting.
Dr. Eggman! Dr. Eggman! Are you in here?
Here, Eggy! Look! It's his disintegrator ray!
Finally, a real clue! Now all we have to do is follow the path of destruction and... Dr. Eggman's mustache! In his panic, he must have misfired his ray and
all that's left of him is his glorious mustache!
Come on, Q-Bot. Let's go home.
Surprise!
Dr. Eggman!
Hey, get off me!
We thought you was toast!
What are you two clanking oil cans talking about?
Well, you were gone this morning when we awoke.
I went to get a breakfast burrito.
We traced your footsteps all over town until we found your mustache at the helium warehouse.
That's just part of the pin the mustache on the Eggman game I made for your party.
Our
party?
Yes. You said it would improve morale if I threw a surprise party.
You went to all this trouble? For us?
Of course not. I don't care about your nincompoops. I had you do all the work, and then I erased your memories to make sure it was still a surprise. So surprise!
And what a wonderful surprise it is!
Hang on a sec. You erased our memories? You can do that?
Oh yeah, I do it all the time. It's real simple. You just press this button right here.
What happened to us last night? My head is spinning.
That's not spinning. This is. Oh, that was a mistake. I hope whatever we did yesterday didn't involve a heavy meal.
Hey, do you two have any idea where the Eggmobile is?
I got no idea, boss.